Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my skincare routine for when my skin it just needs some calming, soothing stuff. I have oily combo skin, but today I am just breaking out like crazy. Let's just get right into it. Starting off, I am going to use my Real Barrier Cream Cleansing Foam. It's a mild pH foam that nourishes your skin as you cleanse. So yes, please. I like to lather my foam cleansers before applying to my face because it's more gentle, and also I love when I can just see all the bubbles in my hand. It doesn't foam big bubbles, but it's a thick consistency that leaves almost a creamy finish behind, and I love it. It does not dry out my skin. I like to go around my nose, under my lips, around my face. Those are the places where I break out the most. So I try to target those, and I target my cheeks as sometimes I do get dry around those areas. Alright, and then after I'm done cleansing, I like to wash it off with lukewarm water. Then I like to go in with my towel, but I do not pat my face into it. I just like to pat around my face where the excess water is. Moving on to sheet mask and a toner pad. I'm choosing between the Soothe Beauty and the Mary May, but today I'm choosing the sheet mask because I have time. This is the Mary May Cica Hotenia Tea Tree Calming Mask. I use a specific mask when my skin is sensitive and hot to touch or just irritated. It has centella asiatic to soothe and calm the skin we love. It helps to restore our irritated skin, so all the redness and just maybe heated areas. It also contains Hotenia cordata to soothe our skin as well. So everything what we need in a soothing mask. This sheet mask is evenly soaked in essence, so all surface of your face will be covered, hopefully. This sheet mask is just a basic sheet mask, nothing too special but the essence. It is a little bit weirdly shaped for my face, so I like to use scissors to cut around the nose and the chin just to make it a tighter fit. I let it sit on my face for maybe 10 to 15 minutes the most, and it is so cooling in the morning because I have a really cold room, so this mask just calms my skin. As I'm waiting for the 10 to 15 minutes to be done, I just like to stay on my phone, look at YouTube, watch updates, stuff like that. I should grab a snack though. But anyways, when those 10 to 15 minutes are done, I take it off, and oh my god, it leaves your skin with such a glow, like a natural glow, and my face feels so much more less irritated. Like honestly, the best. And I don't know about you, but I love putting my mask on my neck, so I'm not wasting nothing. No drops, no mask wasted over here. I do wish it was just a little bit more soaked with essence because, who doesn't want more essence on their mask? Now, taking my hands, I just like to pat and rub and tub and everything on my face so all that beautiful essence can just, soak right in. Moving on to the next step, I'll be using my by Wishtrend Quad Active Boosting Essence, and oh my god, this is beautiful. This is amazing. This is an essence to boost your essence, if that makes sense. Basically, it helps your essence, your second one, work much better into the skin. This boosting essence is made with such great ingredients to help with anti-inflammatory, anti-pollution, and antibacterial to help keep your skin as healthy as it can be. They have star ingredients like willow bark extract, propolis, and 3 complex ingredients. And you know the drill. We're just gonna pat, 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 tap, 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 rub it into our face. One of my favorite ingredients is propolis, and propolis is so good for your skin because of its healing properties. Basically, it's a mixture of bee saliva and beeswax, and I know that sounds so gross, but trust me, it works so well. It fights off acne, heals skin, and protects your skin from free radicals, pollution, sun, and radiation. This next step has to be my favorite step in my routine because of the way it leaves my skin feeling so good. This is the I'm From Mugwort Essence, and this has 100% of mugwort extract. Like, crazy, right? And you already know it, we can't miss the patting and tapping in our routine. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just tapping and patting all the essence so it can soak right into my skin. Mugwort extract is amazing for calming and soothing your skin. It's so comfortable to people with sensitive and irritated skin. So this essence is thicker than water but thinner than a serum, and it leaves your skin feeling so soothed and hydrated all day. Whenever I feel like my face is irritated or sensitive or maybe hot to touch, this is now my go-to product because it relieves my pimple spots and my heated areas. And especially on this day where I had really irritated skin, I went for a second layer, and girl, this is huge, so don't mind me. And doing a second layer of essence is just a preference of mine, but I just love doing this to feel that second layer of hydration. Now, to lock in everything we just did, all our hard work, we had to soothe and protect our skin. And I like to go in with the Provectin Clean Lotus Water Cream. Ooh! Something about Provectin is that they are trying to be more clean with their brand and products, and so that's why this bottle almost has nothing on it, but they do give you stickers to design it and to take it off when you do recycle. And look at mine, so cute. You guys, this is such a great moisturizer for all skin types. It is lightweight and hydrating at the same time. This alone has 75% lotus water extract that purifies the skin for that more healthy and fresh complexion. It is a lighter consistency to other creams, but it just glides onto the skin so effortlessly. It keeps my skin feeling so soft and hydrated the whole entire day. And if you notice something, I always drag it down to the neck because our neck needs a little love too. Do not forget the neck. Now, to finish this beautiful hydrating routine that we just did, we had to apply sunscreen. This is the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice and Probiotic SPF 50 plus and PA plus 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 plus. 4 pluses. You always have to apply sunscreen. Whether you're staying inside or going out, it is a must. And if you're not, it's better late than never. Get to it. This has 69% rice bran water and grain ferment extract complex, which just means it will hydrate and nourish the skin's barrier while protecting it. This sunscreen is amazing. It has no stickiness or pilling, which is such a good thing when it comes to SPFs because I hate when sunscreens pill. Like, why? This is a chemical sunscreen that will not give you that pasty white cast. This creamy, light, lotiony feel to the skin. It leaves a beautiful glow throughout the whole entire day. It honestly has not failed me. And like again, don't forget the neck. Make sure to bring it all the way down. Alright, we made it to the end. That was my hydrating, calming, soothing routine for irritated skin. And honestly, I had such a great time doing this. Did you guys enjoy it too? I will leave links down below so that you guys can check it out yourself. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. So much fun doing this routine, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.